Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something fun and relaxing, vacations.
Yes, vacations are a great topic because everyone has memories, plans, or dreams about them.
Let's start simple. If someone asks you, "How was your vacation?" how would you answer?
I might say, it was great. I really enjoyed it.
Enjoyed means you had a good time and felt happy.
Exactly. You can also say, my vacation was relaxing.
Good word. Relaxing means helping you rest and feel calm.
Many people go on vacation to relax.
Others want adventure.
Adventure means an exciting or unusual experience.
For example, my vacation was full of adventure.
Nice. Now let's talk about destinations.
Destination means the place you travel to.
For example, my vacation destination was Italy.
Or you can say, I traveled to the mountains.
Mountains, beaches, cities, everyone has different preferences.
Preferences means things you like more than others.
For example, I prefer beach vacations.
Beach vacations are popular.
Yes, people often say, I went to the beach and enjoyed the sunshine.
Sunshine means bright sunlight.
Another common vacation word is sightseeing.
Good one. Sightseeing means visiting famous or interesting places.
For example, we did a lot of sightseeing during our trip.
That's a very natural sentence.
Now let's talk about accommodation.
Accommodation is a bit advanced. It means the place where you stay, like a hotel or apartment.
For example, our accommodation was comfortable.
Comfortable means pleasant and easy to stay in.
Another word people use is local.
Local means from that area or place.
For example, we tried local food.
Trying local food is one of the best parts of traveling.
Yes, food can make a vacation memorable.
Memorable means easy to remember because it was special.
Now let's talk about travel companions.
Companions means the people you travel with.
For example, I traveled with my family.
Or, I went on vacation with friends.
Some people prefer traveling alone.
True. Alone means by yourself.
Traveling alone can feel peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and quiet.
Now let's talk about problems during vacations.
Yes, not every vacation is perfect.
Some people say we had some issues.
Issues means problems or difficulties.
For example, we had issues with transportation.
Transportation means how you move from one place to another.
Like planes, trains, buses, or cars.
Another common word is delay.
Delay means something happens later than planned.
For example, our flight was delayed.
That happens a lot.
Yes, but even delays can become funny stories later.
Now let's ask our viewers something.
Good idea. If you're watching this video, write in the comments, where did you go on your last vacation?
Or if you didn't travel, write where do you want to go next?
Use simple English. Even one sentence is perfect.
And don't worry about mistakes. We'll help you.
Before we continue, let's practice a sentence together.
Okay.
My last vacation was...
Pause the video and finish the sentence yourself.
You can say relaxing, exciting, short, long, or unforgettable.
Unforgettable means so special that you can't forget it.
That's a great word to describe a vacation. Now, let's talk about activities people usually do on vacation.
Activities means things you do for fun or experience.
For example, we did many fun activities during our vacation.
Some people like outdoor activities,
Outdoor means outside, in nature.
like hiking, swimming, or walking around the city.
Hiking is a popular vacation activity.
Hiking means walking in nature, usually in the mountains.
Another common activity is shopping.
Yes, especially buying souvenirs.
Souvenirs means small things you buy to remember a place.
For example, I bought souvenirs for my family.
That's very common.
Now, let's talk about feelings during a vacation.
Many people feel excited before traveling.
Excited means very happy and full of energy.
During the vacation, people often feel relaxed
And after the vacation, they might feel tired.
or even sad.
Yes, that feeling is called post-vacation blues.
That's an advanced phrase. Post-vacation blues means feeling sad after a vacation ends.
For example, I had post-vacation blues when I returned to work.
That's very relatable.
Now, let's talk about the length of a vacation.
Length means how long something lasts.
Some vacations are short, some are long.
For example, my vacation lasted 1 week.
Lasted means continued for a period of time.
Another useful word is schedule.
Schedule means a plan of activities and times.
Some people like a full schedule.
Others prefer a flexible schedule.
Flexible means easy to change.
A flexible schedule makes vacations less stressful.
Stressful means making you feel worried or tense.
Now, let's talk about travel planning.
Planning means deciding what to do before the trip.
For example, I planned my vacation carefully.
Or, I didn't plan much, I just relaxed.
Both are fine.
Another advanced word is itinerary.
Good one. Itinerary means a detailed travel plan.
For example, we followed our itinerary every day.
That's useful for busy trips.
Now let's talk about weather.
Weather can affect your vacation.
Affect means to change or influence something.
For example, the rain affected our plans.
Rain can be annoying,
Annoying means slightly upsetting or irritating.
but sometimes bad weather creates good memories.
True.
Now let's practice describing a vacation day.
Okay.
One day on my vacation,
Pause the video and finish the sentence.
you can say visited, tried, explored, relaxed, or enjoyed.
Explored means walked around and discovered new places.
Good word.
Now let's invite our viewers again.
Yes. In the comments, answer this question. What was your favorite part of your last vacation?
Or, what do you enjoy most when you travel?
Try to use at least one new word from today.
And remember, we're here to help you improve.
Vacations are great because they give us stories to tell.
And telling stories is a great way to practice English.
Let's go a bit deeper and talk about types of vacations.
Good idea. Different people like different vacation styles.
Some people enjoy a relaxing vacation.
Relaxing means calm, slow, and stress-free.
For example, I want a relaxing vacation by the beach.
Others prefer an adventurous vacation.
Adventurous is a higher level word,
It means exciting and sometimes a little risky.
like mountain climbing or traveling alone.
Exactly.
Another type is a cultural vacation.
Cultural means related to history, art, and local life.
For example, I enjoy cultural vacations and museums.
That's a great sentence.
Now let's talk about traveling with people.
Some people travel alone.
Traveling alone is called solo travel.
Solo means by yourself.
For example, I tried solo travel last year.
Others travel with family or friends.
Traveling with family can be fun but challenging.
Challenging means not easy, sometimes difficult.
For example, traveling with kids is challenging.
Good example.
Now let's talk about accommodation.
Accommodation is a more advanced word,
It means a place where you stay.
like a hotel, hostel, or apartment.
For example, our accommodation was close to the city center.
City center means the main part of a city.
Another useful word is comfortable.
Comfortable means feels good and easy to relax in.
Everyone wants comfortable accommodation.
Now let's talk about food during vacations.
Trying local food is one of the best parts.
Local means from that place,
Some people are food lovers.
or foodies.
Foodie means someone who loves food and trying new dishes.
For example, I'm a foodie, so I try everything.
Nice.
Now let's talk about problems during vacations.
Sometimes things go wrong.
Go wrong means not happen as planned.
Flights can be delayed.
Delayed means late.
Luggage can get lost.
That's stressful.
But problems also create stories.
And stories help you practice English.
Exactly.
Now let's practice a longer example.
I'll start. Last summer, I went on vacation with my family. We stayed in a small hotel near the beach.
Good. I'll continue. The accommodation was comfortable and the weather was mostly sunny.
Nice use of accommodation.
Thanks.
Viewers, now it's your turn.
Write 3 to 4 sentences in the comments about your vacation.
Try to answer these questions. Where did you go? Who did you travel with? What did you enjoy the most?
Try to use words like relaxing, adventurous, itinerary, or accommodation.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
We may reply to your comments and help you correct them.
That's how you improve.
Before we finish, let's review one important idea.
Talking about vacations is great practice because it's personal.
And when something is personal, it's easier to talk about.
Keep practicing, keep commenting, and keep enjoying English.
See you in the next conversation practice.
And until then, keep learning, step by step.